Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to do a video on this Gradient wireless speaker. It's Bluetooth. Brought it from Five and Below for $5. In my description I will let you know if it's good or not. Still trying to figure it out because I can't play the music on it because I get copyright. I don't have the rights for it. And looks pretty cool. Lights up. Let's unbox it. Okay. There you go. In the box, comes with the USB charging. Comes with the instructions. And this is how it looks. It looks awesome. Let's turn it on. Oh, look at that. That is nice. I'll turn off the light so you can see it. Check that out. That is absolutely flawless. I like that. I like that it's all colorful like that. Pretty cool. Hopefully the sound quality is perfect. I will test it out. And in my description, I will let you know if it's worth it. Which it only costs $5. Beautiful design. Beautiful, beautiful. Design-wise, I recommend it. Sound-wise, I'll let you know in my description. Like and subscribe. A lot more to come. Thanks for watching. This is how the speaker of the Bluetooth sounds. This is full value. It is amazing. In love.